Alright, so just a quick video here, guys. Starting off the year, we're going to obviously do a new build in this year, and I'm just going to start at the front here with some nice new battery terminals. So I've got these ones here. You know what, I'm actually not sure of the brand. I'll post it in the description when I find it. I didn't actually buy them, a customer gave them to me, but we're just replacing the ugly looking standard battery terminals, which look like that, with these nice big plates. So probably going to mount them on a sick angle, just like that, and have them sitting there like that. So for now, I'm not replacing any of the wiring, just replacing the terminals. But these are a little shitty looking, so I'm just going to do that now and see how it looks. And then we have the two terminals on. Yes, that's the angle they're going to be. I can get this one straight, but this one hits the factory bracket, so we're just going to do them on that little kick out angle. And the shit part is that I have to drill out. These are a 8mm bolt, and most of these are 6s, so all of these terminals I just have to drill out with a step drill, just one notch, just before I can bolt them on. But anyway, for now I'm just going to have them all bolted on. It's going to look much neater. The order's going to go like that, rather than a shit fight coming out of the terminals. So anyway, I'll get them all drilled out and put on and show you what it looks like. Alrighty, and then we have the finished product for today. So both terminals there, and I've got my triple O gauge. One goes to the alternator, two to the back, and then I've got my triple earths, one to there, one to the chassis, and one over here somewhere. That's my alternator wire coming up, so charging from that. And then this little guy here, and this little ring terminal that's just hidden in there, is just for my spotties, which is the two light bars. Anyway, guys, so that's that. Looks a lot better, definitely. And this is just still the original wiring. I just heat shrunk everything, so black heat shrink there, and then I did black heat shrink on these with a little red tip on them as well. I didn't really want them all fat red, so I just did the little red bit so you can just tell, but it kept it kind of black and clean looking. So anyway, that's my battery now, well, 4 now, and obviously I am, as I said before, I'm going to probably replace all of this wiring when I rewire it all, but that might not be for another month or so, so for now I just reheat shrunk them all. But anyway, guys, that is new battery terminals and just a little freshen up in the engine bay of the Jackaroo. Also, we wanted to show you quickly that I got this as well. It's not that exciting really, but it is this in some way. This is the KnuKonceptz OFC wire. So this is the really heavy stuff. So I've got 10 meters of black and 20 meters of red. So I'm going to be redoing the earths in the car and rerunning the power runs. So again, I didn't get to do it in this video. I just put the new terminals on and cleaned up what was already there. But when I do the new build, which is obviously with all these focals, the others are in the box there, 3 in the boxes, 3 there. They're going to be running with the focal amps, which are just here. So I've got my 2 focal amps just there, and yeah, so, or 3 focal amps, sorry. There's 2 monos and a 4-channel. So everything's kind of in place. This is kind of my computer room. I'm kind of storing everything in here. I've got the body kit for the Corona that I haven't done yet, and so forth. So anyway, guys, big year coming, big builds, and I've also got a new car. So stay tuned for the next video I upload, because it will be my new car. And I'm just going to move that there now. It's fucking heavy, but I'm going to sit here and edit this video that you're watching and get it uploaded. But yeah, so more coming this year for sure, and yeah, new car and a few big builds to come. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.